All right, folks, at Emeryville Station, this is Amtrak train number 14, code Starlight. This train is headed to Seattle at the Emeryville Amtrak station. An ALC 42 Seabed Charger leading this one off. ALC 42 on there. All right, let's see what it looks like. It is 3:05 leading off for the ALC 42. 3:05 leading off. All right, 3:05 and 3:30. Coast Starlight, train number 14, now pulling in at the Emeryville station. On track number 1. Folks, there go that train pulling in. There go that train now pulling in at Emeryville Station. I'm Marcel Hall. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.